Over 2,300 species depend on this single tree. This is the English oak, Quercus robur, a slow-growing giant that can live for over 1,000 years, supporting more wildlife than any other native tree in Europe. A mature English oak can absorb over 1 tonne of CO2 across its lifetime. Its canopy can spread more than 20 meters wide, sheltering everything beneath it. Jays bury thousands of acorns every autumn and forget many of them, effectively planting the next generation of oaks. The Royal Navy's wooden warships each required around 6,000 mature oaks to build, which drove severe deforestation by the 18th century. And oak timber gets harder with age. Medieval cathedral beams are still structurally sound after 700 years. Plant during dormancy, from late autumn to early spring, when the ground isn't frozen. Give it at least 15 meters of clearance from buildings and other trees, and in rural areas, protect young saplings with tree guards because deer and rabbits will find them. To plant on heavy clay or wet soils, the English oak handles both better than most species. Don't plant in small gardens. This tree needs serious room. And avoid pruning between April and July to reduce disease and pest risks. One tree. Over 2,300 species call it home. Plant an English oak, and you're planting something that will outlive everyone who ever knew you. Restore, protect, inspire.